Hello and welcome to the L&N Autocare channel. In this video I'm going to be cleaning my Seat Leon FR seats using very accessible and fairly cheap products. First up is the old trusty Titan Hoover. It's amazing what just a Hoover can do for the appearance of your upholstery and seats. The fabric cleaning product I'm using is Dirt Buster's Pet Pro Shampoo. I'm using this because I've used it around the house and it does a good job. I'll be using just 20 ml of this product in 2 litres of water. I'll be using this alongside the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro machine. I had to use a little extra clean water just to dilute the shampoo down, even though I followed the instructions on the bottle. As you can see, I pulled quite a bit of dirt out of those seats, which have never been cleaned under my ownership. The seat is certainly a lot cleaner, and the Dirt Buster shampoo leaves a nice smell of the cherry bakewell cakes behind, which is awfully pleasant. When I cleaned the seats, the temperature outside was very cold, so I had to keep them inside the garage and use a small heater to dry the seats, which thankfully didn't take long. I did the other seat off camera, and as you can see they both look a lot better, and the interior certainly has a lot better order to it now. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next one.